Okay, so we are at the property. I've had a quick look around and this is what I think needs doing, what I would suggest doing to the property. Firstly, the walls are by and large fine, but the colour is quite dated and then there's lots of mould and damp around as well. So I think the most cost-effective thing to do with this property and to keep it in line for long-term tenants is to actually redecorate throughout, paint it white, have a slightly off colour on the woodwork, recarpet throughout. Where there are wallpaper, I would suggest just stripping them. Well, actually, something like this is quite thick though, so maybe just paint over this. The walls are fine because they don't have wallpaper on them. So I'll paint over that. Up to you if you want to keep these lights units or not, or take them down and put something more modern in. I would recommend taking away the curtains because they're quite dated and you, the landlord, would be liable for them. And there's some upstairs that are broken anyway. These damp have to be investigated. I suspect the previous tenant just hasn't been airing the place out. And there's also a gap down there and signs of slugs entering. I suspect they're coming through that, so that needs to be sealed as well. So redecorated throughout, potentially change the lighting units, painting over the wallpapered area rather than taking it down because that's quite thick. Stuff like this, just repaint instead. Curtains you can just take down, throw away. In here, repaint. Second reception room, those leaks there, but that's fine because if you replace the carpet, that will get rid of that anyway, the stains anyway, and then just paint over the pipe properly. Where the walls are flaking, we can sand it down. All the mold signs up there, again, these can just be painted over, sanded down, painted over. And there's damps there. I mean, we can get a specialist in and have a look at them to see if it's a building issue. That sort of stuff needs chucking away. Wallpaper can be painted over. The curtains, curtains in good condition. They're just quite dated. So we can leave them, but then the landlord would be responsible for them. And I think that curtain pole's falling down. That's probably not suitable for there. That needs chucking. I would suggest with all these light switches, they're quite dated. So I would suggest just changing all the light switches and all the sockets to brushed chrome. Because it's been repainted, that will stick out like a sore thumb. So it's repainted new, at least you have new light switches and power sockets. And that's what tenants value. That's what they see, feel and touch, and that's what they value. Kitchen's absolutely fine. Flooring's fine. Not great, but I can't see a lot of tears or any tears, just some stains. So maybe we can leave that. That can just be cleaned down. That can be painted. Reseal all those and either regrout or just a deep clean. Paint. I suggest a new lighting unit there. We'll leave it. So stuff like that should be changed. Reseal. The kitchen looks relatively new. It does seem to come fully furnished. The problem with fully furnished properties is that it attracts a transient market and tenants can give notice with 2 months, there's no minimum term. So it's probably worth having the property just not furnished. Unfurnished or just part furnished. So unfurnished, where there's no appliances and no furniture. Part furnished means there's appliances, so fridge, freezer, washing machine, but no appliances. Repaint, make good, tidy up. Is it worth replacing that toilet seat? Data colour, isn't it? Yeah, those blinds. Okay, so that's going to come off anyway. No, that's fine. I can fix that. So repainting here, light switches. Back is fine. Just needs throwing all those things away. Okay. Some gaps down there. That should probably be sealed. It's has some creak along here. Recarpeted, repainted along here. Okay, now. Okay, master bedroom. A lot of furniture. Furniture actually looks quite good. Sorry, it looks like it's in good condition. And again, the curtains are in good condition. Oh, maybe keep them. Repaint this wall white. Lots of damp, lots of mold up there, sorry. So we repaint all that. Repaint the walls white. This will make it look a lot more spacious, and repaint all over the wallpaper as well. Mattress is in good condition. Furniture seems like it's in good condition. Repaint everything. Change these sockets. Leave the light units. Second bedroom. Again, repaint. So I think that's broken, but that's fine. We can replace. We can chuck that away and move the chest of drawer from the other room into this room because there's a big cabinet in there already anyway. This probably just chuck this actually. Yeah. Well, the teeth are still here. Maybe we'll just fix it back. Just leave it. Yeah, maybe leave the curtains, but repaint throughout. Repaint in there, remove that. Hopefully the EPC is a D, and that way we don't really need to do much. And then decide what to do with it in the future to try and get to C. So bathroom, floor is fine. The tiles need either cleaning or regrouting. Obviously reseal throughout as well. Ideally, there should be a bathtub in here to attract families, but that shower is quite large, so maybe tenants with babies can put a portable bathtub in there, like a Okay, so yeah, reseal that. Maybe chuck that away because that's rusty. Reseal that. Repaint that waterproof paint. Then lock in the door. Put a lock in the bathroom door, and then put some door stops throughout as well. And I think, need toilet seats as much because that's quite grey. That's quite yellow. Okay, I think that's it. My name is Tuna Gwyn from Sentinel Lettings. If you want better rent for your property, if you want it managed better, and if you want a free portfolio review of any properties in the West Midlands, do feel free to drop me a message. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.